Ever wondered why some people seem to build wealth effortlessly while others struggle endlessly? The difference lies in the lessons they follow. In today's video, we're diving into the transformative wealth-building principles from Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. These lessons have helped millions worldwide escape the rat race, building lasting financial independence and turn their dreams into reality. From understanding assets versus liabilities to mastering tax advantages, you'll gain actionable insight that can reshape your financial future. Stay tuned because by the end, you'll know exactly how to apply these strategies to start building your wealth today. Lesson 1: Assets versus Liabilities. One of the most fundamental lessons Kiyosaki teaches is understanding the distinction between assets and liabilities. This simple concept forms the foundation of wealth building. Assets. These are resources that put money into your pocket. Examples include rental properties, stocks, businesses, or intellectual property like books and patents. They generate income or appreciate in value over time. Liabilities. These are obligations or expenses that take money out of your pocket. Common liabilities include mortgages, car loans, credit card debt, or expensive gadgets purchased on credit. Kiyosaki emphasizes that many people mistakenly consider liabilities as assets. For instance, a personal home is often seen as an asset, but if it doesn't generate income and only incurs costs, it's a liability. The wealthy focus on accumulating income-generating assets while minimizing liabilities. To internalize this lesson, take time to evaluate your current financial portfolio. Separate your assets from your liabilities and identify areas where you can shift your focus toward building wealth. The earlier you start building a solid foundation of assets, the sooner you can achieve financial freedom. Lesson 2: Don't work for money, make money work for you. Kiyosaki's Rich Dad often remembered this lesson. This principle challenges the conventional wisdom of trading time for money through traditional jobs. How to make money work for you. Invest in real estate. Buy rental properties that provide consistent monthly income. Start a business. Build a system that operates and generates profits without your constant involvement. Dividend-paying stocks. Invest in companies that share their profits with shareholders through dividends. This mindset shift is crucial because relying solely on a paycheck limits financial growth. Instead, diversifying income sources and building passive streams enable you to achieve financial independence. The journey starts with small steps. Investing even a small amount in a promising opportunity can grow into a substantial income stream over time. Additionally, developing the discipline to reinvest profits is critical to compounding your wealth. Lesson 3: The importance of financial education. Kiyosaki believes that financial ignorance is one of the biggest obstacles to wealth. Traditional education often fails to teach practical money management, leaving many people unprepared to handle their finances effectively. How to improve your financial literacy. Read books. Start with foundational texts like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The Intelligent Investor, and Think and Grow Rich. Listen to podcasts. Learn from experts in investing, entrepreneurship, and personal finance. Take action. Apply what you learn by opening a brokerage account, starting a small investment, or launching a side hustle. Financial education isn't just about knowing, it's about doing. The more you practice, the more confident and capable you'll become. Kiyosaki encourages everyone to make learning about money an ongoing process. Attend seminars, take online courses, and stay updated with market trends. This proactive approach will enable you to make informed decisions and adapt to changing financial environments. Lesson 4: Break free from the rat race. The rat race describes the endless cycle of working, spending, and never saving enough. Many people get trapped in this loop because they prioritize consumerism over long-term wealth building. Steps to escape the rat race. Track your spending. Understand where your money goes and cut unnecessary expenses. Invest first. Prioritize saving and investing before spending on non-essentials. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Resist the urge to upgrade your lifestyle with every raise or bonus. Breaking free from the rat race requires discipline and a shift in mindset. Instead of chasing temporary pleasures, focus on creating a sustainable financial future. It's not about deprivation, but rather intentionality. For example, consider setting clear financial goals such as saving for a down payment on an investment property or building an emergency fund. These steps can help you transition from living paycheck to paycheck to achieving financial independence. Lesson 5: The Cash Flow Quadrant. Kiyosaki's Cash Flow Quadrant explains the 4 ways people earn income. Number 1: Employee. You work for someone else and trade time for money. Your income is capped by your time and effort. Number 2: Self-employed. You work for yourself but still trade time for money. Examples include freelancers or small business owners. Number 3. Business owners. You own a system or enterprise that generates income without your constant involvement. Number 4. Investor. You invest in assets that generate income such as stocks, real estate, or businesses. Transitioning to the left side, employee and self-employed, to the right side, business owner and investor, is key to achieving financial freedom. This shift allows you to generate wealth without being tied to your time. Start by identifying where you currently fall on the quadrant and set actionable goals to move toward the right side. For instance, if you are an employee, consider building a side business or learning about investing. Over time, these small steps can lead to significant changes in your financial position. Lesson 6. Take calculated risks. Building wealth often requires taking risks, but successful people don't take blind risks. They make informed decisions based on research and strategy. How to take smart risks. Do your homework. Understand the investment, market, or opportunity before committing. Learn from mentors. Surround yourself with experienced individuals who can guide you. Start small. Begin with smaller investments to gain experience and confidence. Prepare for failure. Use setbacks as learning experiences and adjust your strategies accordingly. Kiyosaki believes that fear of failure holds many people back. By viewing risks as opportunities for growth, you can overcome this fear and make bold moves towards wealth. For instance, instead of avoiding real estate because of potential market downturns, study the market trends, analyze deals, and start with a manageable property. Over time, these calculated risks can lead to substantial rewards. Lesson 7. Pay yourself first. This principle involves prioritizing saving and investing before paying your bills or spending on luxuries. It ensures that you consistently build wealth no matter your income level. How to pay yourself first. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts. Budget around savings. Treat savings as a non-negotiable expense. Live below your means. Avoid overspending to ensure you always have funds to save and invest. When you pay yourself first, you create a habit of prioritizing your future over immediate gratification. Over time, this habit compounds into significant wealth. Imagine consistently saving 20% of your income for a decade. It's not just the saved amount, but also the investment growth that can lead to financial security. This simple yet powerful habit can transform your financial trajectory. Lesson 8. Learn the tax advantages of wealth. The wealthy understand how to use tax laws to their advantage. They structure their finances in ways that minimize tax liability while maximizing benefits. Tax strategies to consider. Business deductions. Deduct expenses like travel, equipment, and office space. Real estate benefits. Take advantage of depreciation to reduce taxable income. Retirement accounts. Use tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401ks to grow your wealth. Understanding taxes isn't about evasion, it's about strategy. The more you know, the more you can legally keep to reinvest and grow. For example, owning a rental property can provide multiple tax benefits, such as deducting property management fees or mortgage interest. Similarly, setting up a business entity can open doors to additional deductions, further enhancing your financial strategy. Lesson 9. Focus on building systems. Wealthy individuals don't rely solely on their own effort. They create systems that generate consistent income. Examples of income-generating systems. Automated investments. Set up recurring contributions to index funds or dividend stocks. Rental properties. Use property managers to handle day-to-day operations. Business processes. Build a team and systems to run your business efficiently. These systems allow you to scale your income without increasing your workload. They're the backbone of sustainable wealth creation. For instance, investing in technology to automate parts of your business can save time and reduce operational costs. The ultimate goal is to have your income grow even when you're not actively working, enabling true financial freedom. Lesson 10. The power of mindset. Your beliefs about money can either propel you towards success or hold you back. Kiyosaki emphasizes that mindset is just as important as strategy. How to develop a wealthy mindset. Adopt a growth mindset. Believe that you can learn and grow even if you've made mistakes. Focus on solutions. View challenges as opportunities to innovate and improve. Surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with people who inspire and support your financial goals. A wealthy mindset encourages resilience and creativity, enabling you to navigate setbacks and seize opportunities. For example, if faced with a financial setback, instead of dwelling on the loss, analyze what went wrong, learn from it, and use it as a stepping stone for your next move. The key is to focus on progress and not perfection. For instance, if you've made a bad investment, study the reasons behind it, consult experts, and refine your strategy for future opportunities. The way you think about money and challenges will directly influence your ability to achieve financial success. Lesson 11: Never stop learning. The journey to wealth isn't a one-time event, it's a lifelong process. Kiyosaki believes that the most successful people constantly seek knowledge and adapt to change. Ways to keep learning: stay updated. Follow financial news, market trends, and changes in tax laws. Invest in yourself. Take courses, attend seminars, or pursue certifications relevant to your goals. Learn from failures. Treat mistakes as lessons and use them to refine your strategies. Continuous learning ensures that you stay ahead in a constantly evolving world. For instance, new technologies like blockchain or AI can present opportunities for wealth building that didn't exist before. By staying curious and proactive, you position yourself to take advantage of these emerging trends. Remember, every day is an opportunity to grow smarter and more financially savvy. Lesson 12: Embrace delayed gratification. Building wealth requires patience and the willingness to delay short-term pleasures for long-term rewards. This discipline is what sets apart those who achieve financial independence from those who remain stuck in a cycle of instant gratification. How to practice delayed gratification: set clear goals. Visualize the benefits of waiting, such as financial freedom or early retirement. Avoid impulse spending. Create a budget and stick to it, leaving room only for essential purchases. Celebrate milestones. Reward yourself for achieving financial goals, but do so within reason. For example, instead of splurging on the latest gadget, consider how investing that money could grow over time. The more you practice delayed gratification, the stronger your financial position becomes. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about making conscious decisions that align with your long-term vision. Lesson 13: Understand the importance of giving back. Kiyosaki emphasizes that wealth isn't just about accumulation, it's also about contribution. Giving back not only helps others but also creates a sense of fulfillment and purpose. Ways to give back: donate to charities. Support causes that resonate with your values. Mentor others. Share your knowledge and experiences to help others grow. Invest in your community. Support local businesses or fund community projects. Giving back creates a positive cycle. It builds goodwill, strengthens relationships, and often opens doors to new opportunities. For example, mentoring someone might lead to a business partnership or new investment ideas. Beyond the material rewards, giving back enriches your life and creates a legacy that extends beyond your financial success. Lesson 14: Take action. Kiyosaki's teachings all boil down to one final lesson: knowledge is useless without action. Many people know what they need to do to build wealth, but fear, procrastination, or complacency holds them back. How to take action: start small. Build with manageable steps like opening a savings account or investing a small amount in stocks. Set deadlines. Create a timeline for achieving your financial goals to stay accountable. Build momentum. Celebrate small wins and use them as motivation to keep going. The journey to financial success starts with a single step. Whether it's educating yourself, making your first investment, or creating a budget, every action brings you closer to your goals. Remember, the perfect time to start doesn't exist. The best time is now. By committing to consistent action, you can turn Kiyosaki's lessons into a reality in your own life. Take action today. I'm sure you'll have incredible success. You can support my efforts by liking this video. Thank you, and if you missed the video about Donald Trump's tips that can take you to the next level of income, the video is at your screen right now. This is the Money Channel. You will get richer.